Wala pa raw natatanggap na request mula sa Department of Justice ang Philippine Navy para simulan ang paghahanap sa mga nawawalang sabungero na ang bangkay ay itinapon umano sa Taal Lake. Ngunit ayon kay Navy spokesperson Captain John Percy Alcos, may 3 teams ng Naval Special Operations Command na naka-standby at handang i-deploy anumang oras na kinakailangan.
We are still waiting for the official request or for assistance from the Department of Justice. The Naval Special Operations Command is an elite unit of the Philippine Navy. They can be dispatched anytime, anywhere, any place. Normally 3 teams are dispatched for technical diving operations.
Samantala, sinabi pa ng Navy na marami silang pamamaraan upang maisagawa ang paghahanap sa ilalim ng tubig. Mayroon silang underwater drone sa kayang bumaba hanggang 200 meters upang i-assess ang kaligtasan ng lugar bago isagawa ang pagde-deploy sa mga divers. Ito'y upang masuri ang kaligtasan, lalim ng tubig at kung ano ang maaaring matagpuan sa ilalim.
When we do diving, we have to look at a lot of technical criteria. Number 1, this is not the normal diving at sea level. This is on an elevated, mas mataas yung kanyang elevation. Secondly, the sediments or the composition of the water. Thirdly, kung madilim dyan, we're not sure of the underwater environment. So usually, today, we could already send out drones to check out. We could even retrieve underwater objects without sending any diver. But unless it's quite complicated, like yung mga nangyari sa mga lumubog na mga barko, napapasukin mo sa loob na mahirapan ang drone, lalo kung may tethered ang drone mo, then we have to send out divers. But again, on situation like this, the last option will be the diver. We first send out drones to check out the underwater environment.
Nauna nang sinabi ng Department of Justice na isasagawa na ngayong linggo ang paghahanap sa mga nawawalang sabungero sa Taal Lake. In the heart of changing lives, ako si Brigada Cass Austria ng 105.1 Brigada News FM Manila, the Music and News Authority.